Text marketing can be used in a lot of ways. Now, one group in particular that can benefit from text marketing are content creators. In today's episode, I'm sharing a text marketing case study of one of my favorite content creators currently at the moment, Anthony Spice Adams, and showing how he can use text marketing for his brands and his businesses. So let's get it. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Chris, better known online as the Black Techie. I absolutely love what Anthony Spice Adams is doing. He's showing that life doesn't end after being a pro athlete for so long, and becoming a content creator is possible regardless of what profession you started in. As his popularity increases, it's important for him to push people to content that he owns and can control. After taking a deep dive into his website and his company, I definitely see some technical gaps when it comes to continuing his engagement with his online community. Here are 3 things that Anthony Spice Adams can do to build even more engagement and monetize his community by using text marketing. First things first, he needs to create a mobile strategy. Most of his community is probably consuming his content more than likely from a mobile device. Why not figure out a way to continue that engagement after someone in his community consumes his content? Now, this mobile strategy will be really unique to Anthony and his content and his platform, simply because he's not your typical content creator. But by creating a mobile strategy, it will allow him to really look at how he can connect and engage with his community in a variety of ways, especially using text marketing. This way, no one in his community will miss out on anything that he creates or posts to various platforms. Secondly, signing up for a text marketing platform and posting the number from said platform on his social media channels. I know for a fact that people are following him from various medium platforms, from Twitter to Instagram to YouTube. Trust me, they're following Anthony and his content. But what seems to be lacking is that after the content has been created and posted, the engagement seems to stop. Why not let people know that the engagement doesn't have to end there, and that they can sign up for his VIP mobile club to continue, whether it's sharing behind the scenes, bonus clips, and things that he has not posted to his media channels. After purchasing the domain textspiceadams.com, Anthony can go ahead and place that domain in his links on his various channels, whether it's Instagram, Twitter, or even YouTube. He can guide his community to going there for them to sign up for his VIP mobile club. Now, he still can provide them with his regular main website, but more than likely people are consuming his content on various social media channels. Utilizing textspiceadams.com will allow him to get people to sign up for his offline community, but still be able to engage with them and share special behind the scenes content. Whether it's him, recording clips, bloopers, whatever, he can still control that narrative with his community. And finally, integrating his mobile marketing to his e-commerce shop. Anthony has an e-commerce store, which is great, yet it will probably convert a whole lot better if he integrated his mobile marketing into it. Text marketing has an open rate of 98%. Yes, 98%. If Anthony wanted to do special releases, launches, sales, and etc., his mobile club would have his inventory sold out even before he sent it to his email list or provided it to the general public. Let's be honest, most people shop from their mobile phones anyway nowadays. Considering mobile e-commerce is on the rise, this will be a great way for Anthony Spice Adams to take his brand and business up a few notches. Anthony, I'm here to tell you personally and professionally that text marketing is truly on the rise, and it has no indication of slowing down anytime soon. I hope you and your team decide to get on board, and I hope you all like this case study. I would love to help you roll out this text marketing strategy with your brands or business. My contact information is in the description below. Don't hesitate to reach out. Now, if you're a current pro athlete, former pro athlete, or an athlete who's turned into a content creator, and you're interested in learning how to leverage the power of text marketing with your brands or your businesses, click the link in the description below to contact me directly so we can figure out a great strategy and plan to implement when it comes to your businesses and your brands. Click the link in the description to contact me directly. This way, we can create a custom text marketing strategy to increase your engagement and leverage the power of text marketing when it comes to your brands and your businesses. If you're a service provider and you're looking for ways to implement text marketing into your brand or your business, I share case studies like this with my text marketing list. Click the link in the description below to join my VIP Mobile Club and make sure to select the segment Text Marketing to receive more case studies and leverage the power of text marketing when it comes to your brand or your business. If you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for my channel. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, I'm technically yours. Peace. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you want to learn more about text marketing when it comes to your brand or your business, click the video currently on the screen to check out my text marketing playlist.